poly headphones. Let's open it up. Pretty much it. Fancy USB. Mute. Let's go over the buttons. Hang up, plus, minus, and mute. Then go unplug it, plug it back in. USB, real long extension. There's a little right there. You guys can see a right, and then there's a left. Look at this, nice and soft. Either way, buttons. Very comfortable. Either way, it could go left or right, reversible. Longest cord I've seen. In case you're gonna pull it, you don't have to worry about it because of the 5-point jack coming out. You can just unplug it right here. It plugs up, so you don't have to worry about tearing up like these so far. You can hang up calls, mute, volume. You can mute. It says mute on when you do that. Mute off when you do that. So audio, just hear a beep. As soon as I did the phone, it did the phone. Integrates really well with Teams. Not bad. Testing 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. There's people talking around me. I don't see any highlight or anything, so it looks pretty good.